Hey guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel. And in today's video, what I'm going to be sharing with you is how you can make money with Gumroad without even uploading any of your own products. Okay, so we're going to go to a website. Okay, now if you want to get signed up to this website, it's free. Click the link below this video and get signed up. But yeah, basically what this website is you can find free or even paid for sometimes. I think there's a upgraded version to to this website, and basically the upgraded version allows you to pick the latest products that they have on here, um, higher quality products that they have on here. But all of them are, I think, maybe quality, otherwise they wouldn't be selling it. um but we're going to have a look at this one. Okay, so let's say if you are, depending on what niche you're in. Actually, let's pick another one. Okay, let's pick something that's not related to internet marketing. Is it's completely, give me a second. Let's say personal development. Okay, so this is a great one for personal development, people that are trying to better themselves. And this one is called the morning ritual. Okay, so it's basically tips and techniques of how you can improve your morning routine, how that can improve your life. Okay, this seems like a really cool one for me personally because I'm into personal development. Um and product terms can be sold. It gives you all of the details of what you can do with the product and what you can't do with the product. Okay, because there's things that you can't do, like you can't change the name of the product. um Sorry, no, not sorry, I've read that wrong. It says can modify change the main product. Okay, so I don't know what that means, but uh basically in a nutshell, you can't like change the graphics or cover or change in any way the text. Okay, can be added to free membership websites, no. Can be given away for free, no. Can convey and sell private label rights, no. Okay, so basically what you do is, in a nutshell, you download this product and then you've got a product that you can resell. Okay, so PLR basically stands for private label rights, and that means that you have the rights to sell that product. Okay, and that's basically in a nutshell what you're doing. You're reselling this product. Now what you could do is you can actually go to Gumroad. There are actually many ways that you can use PLR. Okay, you can even get a whole bunch of articles right here. As you can see, they're ready to give out away tons of articles. Okay, and you can literally use those articles for your blog, for your content, for your videos. Okay, so it's pretty cool. There's obviously you're going to read through it and see if it's good information. You don't want to be sharing something that's crap. So what you do is you download the product, you go through the product, and you read through it and see that if this is a good product that people are going to get benefit out of. Okay, then what you do is you go to Gumroad and you basically publish it on Gumroad. Now Gumroad is so easy to use. It's basically a platform where you can sell your products on this platform. Okay, so just give me a second. So I'm going to share with you how much money I made on here. As you can see, it's not much. It's only $22.56. Not a lot of money. I've just refreshed the page now so you can see it's genuine. Obviously, it's not something to be like amazed by or whatever, but it just shows you that it does actually work. Okay, and it's not like a get rich quick or anything like this. It's a platform that you can basically upload your products to. Okay, and then when you promote it, whether it be on social media or your blog or whatever, and people buy, you make money from. Okay, but what's really powerful is with this. Yeah, so you download, let's say we take this product. Okay, so we download it and then we upload it on here. And then what we do, sorry, before we upload it, I want to share with you a powerful little tip. Okay, so before you upload it, you go to this website. Okay, it's called sajda.com. Okay, and what this site allows you to do is edit PDF files. Now, we're not going to edit no text or edit anything. All we're simply going to do is we are going to add our affiliate link to a product that we can recommend related to the morning ritual. So it can be a meditation, it can be something that's related that people are going to be like, oh, okay, this sounds interesting. This is interesting. Like, basically those people that are into this kind of stuff, you want to find a product similar that's going to also make them feel like that's interested, and they need to go and check out more interested, and they need to check it out, more information on that product. Okay, now what's even more powerful is if you build your list. Okay, so you're basically giving away something for free. So you edit the book, okay, with this, and you can say, by the way, if you want to check out my free training on how you can do this meditation technique that literally transformed my life or whatever, okay, obviously, you want to be as genuine as you can. And you don't have to say my life. You can just say, that is transformational, has helped so many people, click here. So they click to the link, and guess what, it takes them to your capture page. Okay, so when it takes them to your capture page, they fill out the information and they become a lead. Okay, now this is really powerful, because what you're doing is you are building your email list. And you're not just building any kind of email list, you're building an email list of buyers, people that have already bought from you. Okay. I can't stress how more powerful that is, to build a list of buyers rather than just any random people, because a list of buyers always respond more to offers. And that's how you make more money with a list of buyers, rather than just someone that wants everything for free. Okay, they have literally purchased your book from you. Okay, so that is a quick tip on how you can make money with selling products on Gumroad. And also then in the book itself, then what you're doing is, in a way, you're kind of like selling to them another product. Because what you're going to do is, if they click on the link that takes them to your capture page, they sign up for something for free. It can be related to this book. Okay, but you give it to them for free. But then what you do is, in that free content, then you can sell whatever you're promoting. Okay, so that can be, or you can do it another way, where you can just directly send them to your affiliate link. It's up to you how you do it. You can just get them to sign up as a lead, or you can just get them to purchase a product as an affiliate. Okay, so you have your affiliate link there, and when they go there, and a lot of the time, the affiliate products, they actually already have an email list. Okay, so guess what, when they sign up to their email list under you, and whenever they purchase it, even if it's a couple of weeks after they sign up, you make the commission. Okay, so that's pretty cool, and that's really powerful. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to know sorry, if you want to use this method, and you want to get your product from this website, click the link below in the description below this video, and you'll get access to this website. It's completely free. And yeah, you can just check out the products here. They've got a lot of free ebooks, free softwares, free videos that you can use, and you can even use it for your content. Okay, so I hope you found this video of value, and you can start making money with this method. Okay, so please do like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in more videos. Take care. Bye bye.